Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. So first we had the broccoli token come out on Binance Smart Chain, and that one got a big listing on MEXC Global and tons of other big exchanges. You could check that out on MEXC Global in the description box down there. Then just today on MEXC Global we had the broccoli on Solana token get listed on there. That token's been doing very well. All of them have millions and millions of dollars of market cap. And then now we have the baby CZ dog token. The full name of the token is CZ baby broccoli. And the ticker symbol is CZB. And this token is live for pre-sale right now. There's going to be less than a day left of this pre-sale to go. It is live. Basically, probably for around 24 hours after I upload this video, so you don't have a lot of time, but you can go check it out right now. I put a link to this pre-sale pinned to the top of the comment section, so you could go down there, check it out. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. They do have a full audit by coinsalt.net that you could check out as well. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the CZ Baby Broccoli token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can follow their Telegram if you want to follow that. This is the community chat Telegram where you can talk to other community members at CZ Baby Broccoli on Telegram. And it says, welcome to CZ Baby Broccoli. Let's make BSC great again. CZ will love to follow us. And this is, they have 2,908 Telegram members. 466 of them are online. That's a great place to discuss this project with other community members. But you can see they have a huge following already. We've had 68 total contributors invest in this pre-sale already, and they've already doubled their soft cap, more than double. It's a public pre-sale, so you don't need to be on a wait list or anything like that. And it says here that there's a day left of the pre-sale. Soft cap was 10 BNB. And they've already sold over 20 BNB worth of tokens. And there's still a full day left. So they got a lot of time to go. Full audit. Make sure you check out their full audit there. It says they're going to have Tier 1 Central Exchange listings. A Binance community. Best hype CZ meme coin of 2025. Moonshot just launched. So ticker symbol CZB. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 100 million tokens. We got 20 million tokens going to pre-sale, 9,690,000 tokens for liquidity. It says initial market cap is $20,209, and there's no hard cap on this pre-sale, so you still got a full day to go check it out. Now, when the pre-sale is over, which is going to be exactly February 15th at 20 hours UTC time, shortly after that, the token will go over to PancakeSwap, and it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So if you're looking to get this token, you can get it right now on Presale. First, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain token. So you could use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You'd fund that wallet with a BSC. Now, you could fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could find down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with BSC. You'd go right through that link that's pinned to the top of the comment section. Go right over to this pre-sale here on pinksale.finance. Connect your wallet to the page. And on the page here, It it says connect to your wallet there. You punch in how much BNB you want to spend. It'll tell you how many CZB tokens you get for that amount. You click purchase. When the pre-sale's over, you claim your tokens. It's pretty straightforward. You don't even have to wait a long time. It'll be over in about a day. And they do have the token allocation pie chart on here. It says 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Then it says here 9.69% of the tokens go to liquidity. 25.31 go to the vested lock number 1. 20% goes to the launch pad. So they're going to create their own launch pad. 20% cross chain. So maybe it'll go over to ETH or Solana or something else. And 5% of the tokens will be burned. So you can check out that pie chart on MEX, or not MEX, on pinksale.finance. And it does say when the token does go live, though, on PancakeSwap, it says the LP will be burnt, but there's also going to be 2% buy tax and 2% sell tax. So this is not for the PinkSale pre-sale. This will be for PancakeSwap. If you go over there, you will have to, if you go to PancakeSwap to buy this token after the pre-sale is over, you will have to set your slippage around 2%, and there will be a small amount of gas fees. If you want to contact the person who owns this or made this token, the developer, contact at czbabybroccoli.com is the email. Has a little disclaimer. It says this is a meme coin created for the community and good vibes. It's all about fun and shared experiences. They will have, when it goes live on PancakeSwap, links at the bottom of their webpage to DEX Screener and DEX Tools to go check out the charts to see how well this token is doing. Contract address is right on the page. So if in case you missed like the whole story, just yesterday, there was just a ton of CZ dog-related meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain come out. There's one called Brownie, another one called Cleo. I'm trying to remember, there's so many of them. Those are the big ones though, and there's one more, Perry. And then after those three came out, those all did very well. Then the broccoli token came out because CZ on his Twitter posted a huge story about his dog Broccoli and said, and basically encouraged people to make meme coins based off of it. So like I said, there was a very big Binance Smart Chain one that got listed on MEXC. And then today a Solana one got listed on MEXC. That was very big. And now we have the baby version live for pre-sale that's doing very well. They have over 2,126 Twitter followers. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner there at CZ Baby Broccoli. Check it out. Check out the MEXC global link in the description box where the other broccoli tokens got listed. Check out the pre-sale pinned to the top of the comment section. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.